Find a suitable model and create the joblib file. Then, update the app.py of the model. Update the variable names and the joblib. Upload the suitable HTML file into the template folder. Change the code to perform the new prediction. Run WSGI and deploy your HTML file. This is your HTML file to perform the new prediction. Enter the floor area of 320. This is the predicted price. Another example, 5th floor area 500. And you get the predicted price.